Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On Company. It is Wednesday, October 7th. I'm just going to go over the markets with you for the day. You found actually some pressure coming in. You had higher trades starting off the morning. It looked like you were going to find a little bit of a friendly day throughout the grains, and then you just reached a stall out point. And after that point, it just started to seem like people started to sell the market, maybe take a little bit of profit after this run coming into Friday's crop report. And so corn closed down 2.5. It was a big follower of both wheat and soybeans. Soybeans closed up 3. They were actually able to close in the green, but they were up over 6 cents earlier on the day, so off their highs. And then the wheat market, it's the one that faded the most in the day, closing down 7.5 to 9.5 cents after being up 6.5 cents, so quite a bit off that high. And so you're going to have a little bit of choppy trade coming into Friday's crop report. That's a big crop report. A lot of people are coming into this report friendly, so it's surprising to see a little bit of a sell-off, but maybe a little bit of profit taking. On the other side of things, for meats, they started off lower and then worked their way higher, so opposite of grains. You came in here, lives up 285, feeders up 322.5. Both had extended limits, and they were above that at one point for live cattle, but they settled down just a little bit. Lean hogs came in mixed. You did get bids of 118 live, but your front month, which is deliverable, is 129 right now, and so they don't think that that trade's actually going to stick. Maybe you'll come in here later in the week and see a more desirable bid, but overall you haven't seen that cash trade really happen there. Outside markets, you had crude start of the day friendly and then faded into the close of the EPA report. Crude down 70 cents. The dollar was steady, and the Dow was up 74 points. It's had a little bit of a run later in the afternoon, but not a whole lot. Moving forward, what we're looking at is mixed trade coming in one more day, and then we reach that crop report on Friday, and then we'll come into a weekend. It looks like weather is going to be favorable for harvest, so it should get moving along. Yield talks are pretty big as far as those beans and about average on corn. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.